Do not pray for an easy life. Pray for the strength to endure a difficult one. Character is how you treat those who can do nothing for you. Silence is a source of a great strength. The most powerful weapon on earth is the human soul on fire.